Hi guys, me Mikey. Welcome back to Mikey Macho Garage. And today we're going to be fixing the front brakes on my mom's 2013 Toyota Sienna. So if you want to see that, then stay tuned. And a disclaimer, I am just a Mikey Macho Garage mechanic and I'm not a professional. So if you want to do this, do it at your own risk. But remember, stay safe. And the first step is we need to break the tension on the tire, and we're going to do that with a 1/2-inch breaker bar and a 21mm socket. And do it in a star shape. Now my sister Susie's gonna give it a shot. Now my sister Lily's gonna try one. Now we're gonna use a floor jack to lift the car from the lift point, and we have this special tool that makes it easier for the jack to grab the lift point. So now we're gonna take the lugs off the tire. Two, three, four, that's 5. So now we're going to use a 3/8 electrical ratchet with a 14mm socket to take off this bottom caliper bolt. And now we're taking off the top caliper bolt. Now we got the caliper off. Now we're going to take off these brake pads. So we just lubed the caliper guiding pins, and now we're going to remove the caliper mounting bracket with a 17mm socket. We just installed the new rotor and we put some anti-seize compound. We're now checking the brake fluid for moisture and it looks like it's okay. Now we're going to change the hardware on the caliper mounting bracket. Now we put the new hardware on the caliper mounting bracket. We've put the brakes on in opposite order, and now we're going to put the tire back on the car and torque it up to 80 foot-pounds. And that is the end of the video. I hope you guys learned something, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And maybe hit the notification bell if you want to see when new videos come out. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye!